There are thousands of sandhill cranes that travel to our town every year. Usually they arrive in March, but they've been here since I think January, maybe even December, which is very strange. They fly thousands of miles for the winter. It's just so odd for them to be here. And they're everywhere, not just this field. They're all over the area that I live. Listen to that. Check out the sandhill cranes. Look them up. It's pretty cool. They usually do a Marsh Madness here in town. A little event. Sucks are so hard to see. Supposedly their meat tastes like filet mignon, but you can't eat them.